it going?
Hey, what's going on, guys? So we pulled over your buddies too. You guys gotta slow down for us. All right.
For sure.
All right. We're not gonna harass you too much, but just slow down.
For sure.
I know you guys are heading out east tonight. Is that where everybody is?
We're just hanging out for a little cruise.
Okay. All right. You guys aren't gonna cause any issues for us. You guys don't go down to Old Spanish Trail.
No. No, sir.
You know what I'm talking about, though.
Maybe tomorrow.
Okay.
But tonight, straight up, we're going up the mountain.
That road sucks anyways. I don't know why people ride that road.
It blows my mind too, but they all just take off on Speedway anyway. So yeah. Well, I know that there's always some people go up the mountain, and it's a nice ride, but some people get stupid with it. All right. Well, we had you guys going like 77, so when everyone's looking around to see what the hell we're gonna do about it, we gotta try to do something. So all right, just kind of keep it reasonable.
Makes sense.
That's all I can say.
Good idea, John.
All right.
We get it, man.
Yeah.
So I kind of see a car.
Okay.
How do I go about that?
Well, don't.
No. Tell me why.
Is it your dream job?
So
Something you've always wanted to do?
I really wanted to do something for my country. I feel like my family did it there. I feel like probably like best thing. And I understand a lot of shit you guys got.
I love my job. It's something that I always wanted to do. I got 9 years in. I got a dog. I think it's the greatest job there is. But this day and age, I would not do it again. I just don't see. Yeah, it's the way I tell people is now. If you think you can do it, then fine. But I tell people. I'm from Tucson, Arizona. I'm born and raised. I'm compassionate to human beings. I don't care about race. I don't care about creed. I don't care about religion. I don't care about that. I care about my job and being a professional.
And like, when all this stuff happened, all of us were like, what happened is bullshit.
And the truth is coming out now, and the way I see it is, I'm an American. I took an oath to protect people's constitutional rights. And why would I jeopardize my paycheck, my career, my family, my lifestyle for violating somebody's civil rights? It's not worth it. You know what I mean? Like, let's say it was you. What makes you so special? What makes you so special? What makes you so special? We're not. Nobody's special. So why would I jeopardize all my life, all my training, just to violate somebody's civil rights? Oh yeah, I wouldn't want to.
Paperwork.
I don't want to be sitting at a desk in a computer for 8 hours a day. I thought about doing border patrol, but I didn't want to go to Ajo or Wardsville, New Mexico.
Uncle's 32 years old.
Paid a lot of money. They get paid 80 grand. It's good to be in federal is the way to go. They got the best benefits. But I was born and raised here, and I liked it here, and I like my job. But if anybody's getting into the profession, you got to know 100% you want to do it, because when you get called a racist, when you get called a shitbag, you get spit in your face. I've been kicked, I've been spat on, I've been bit by a chick because she was drunk. All for what? Because I don't want to sit underneath at a desk. Enjoy my job, I really do. Good people out there, and without me, who's going to protect them? So if you can get through that and have a good attitude about it, by all means, go for it. But there is no reward except my self-satisfaction. So if you're looking for some other satisfaction and a pat on the back, you ain't going to get it. If you can handle that, then by all means, be a cop. But there is no joy, and you stop trusting in people.
Oh, absolutely. You see the aspects of it.
But the thing is, we deal with 1% of the population, but we're being judged by the 99% that we wouldn't even try to harass or even have a problem with. But the 1% that we deal with, it's not because we want to harass them, it's because they deserve to be harassed. Because I have to protect the 99%. It's that simple. But I have compassion. Now, what happened with George Floyd, I think it's absolutely ridiculous that it took 9 minutes till you thought of another human being's comfort. But I wasn't there, so I can't really speak for those officers or what was going on, especially around what the situation was beyond the body cam. I just know that could happen to me. I could be that guy because I don't know what their situation was. they're not. I think it's negligent homicide, but I don't think he intended him to murder him. I don't think he's a racist at all. I don't think any of those guys are. But I think they were put in a shitty situation, and that could easily be me on the news. And you'll see my mug on the news, and everyone will call me a racist and things like that. But I am far from. I care about people. You're gonna believe me.
That's like
once the media gets a hold of it. Come November, all of it will just kind of go away.
That's what I've been saying. Yeah, remember the murder hornets?
Yeah. Well, all of a sudden those are done. It's just a bunch of bullshit.
Yeah.
Every 4 years it comes like this, and now we're just becoming of age, and now we see through the bullshit. And 12 years ago we never knew that either, because we were too young and we were being told by our parents the right way to be, and just because. I mean, my job is not political, so don't make it political. I have a job to do, and I get up every single day to do it. Dude, I don't know. Some of you guys went south on Sabino Canyon. And we got I mean, obviously, I don't know. I can't speak for what's going on over there, but I'm not gonna harass you guys. But every Friday, Saturday night, it's an issue, and we just like to fly the flag and see if somebody stops. And if they don't, well, then we'll play with them. Because I'll tell you, never run from us, because our plane was overhead, and you guys would have been caught. And if you run from the police, that's enough to dog bite you. And I have a dog in the car, and that's why I'm here.
Guys, I have to go to the hospital, right?
I'll take you there. Yeah. I'll take you to the hospital.
Awesome.
Yeah. There's no harm, no foul. And,
to get on the gas.
Cat and mouse. I don't think the shitbags who are true criminals know the game too. You know, true criminals are probably the most respectful people. And when they get caught, they're like,
You got me.
because they know it's a game. It's more of a game to them, but it's more of my life and my profession, and I am a professional, so I have to, we don't play by the same rules. Right. Same game, different rules. So, hold on, let me get this. That's Rodriguez. Hey, these guys are cool. That's alright. You guys write anything over there? Okay. 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 Alright, yeah, these. Alright, yeah, no problem. Right. Yeah, your buddy did get a red light ticket. Now, honestly, I don't write tickets, but there's only a few things I do write. If you're going over 15 miles the speed limit, because you can't argue that. Nobody can argue, oh, I wasn't speeding, I was going 10 over. Oh, you're still speeding. If you run red lights or stop signs, because that could kill somebody. And if you don't have registration, because we all have to pay for registration. And if you don't have insurance, because I have to pay for
Because
it.
we get fucked at the end of the day if we get hit.
Exactly. Well, those are the 4 things that I write. I mean, and nobody can argue that. Well, if you're over here on a Friday, Saturday night, if you're in the county, probably not. I usually hang out down the south side, but I just decided to come over here for the night. I don't know why.
Wait, can you pick? Like,
Huh?
can you pick wherever?
Yeah, because I'm K9. I get to go wherever I want to go.
Yeah, he is.
Hey, sorry, man.
You don't write tickets.
Don't be running red lights, dude.
Hey.
I looked up and I saw the red arrow and I was like,
It is what it is, dude.
yeah,
Sure got him.
cool guy though.
Yeah, he's alright. Alright, I'll let you guys do it. You guys have a good night, alright?
Be safe.
Good night, man.